Top 5 Tips to Achieve a Clean and Green Office. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. In today's video, we would like to share with you the top 5 tips to achieve a clean and green office. Green cleaning has numerous benefits for employees, office property, and cleaning contractors. If you are longing for a clean and green office, here are 5 tips. Number 1. Ditch cleaners for clever DIY tricks. Don't rush for cleaners every time you want to do a little cleaning or remove stubborn stains. Instead, use standard household items like lemon, olive oil, vinegar, and baking soda to clean surfaces and remove stains. Number 2. Examine cleaning product labels. It is best practice to inspect the labels of your cleaning products before use. Although only a few cleaning products reveal their ingredients, most of them indicate the list of dangerous chemicals on the label. Avoid products with hazardous chemicals such as formaldehyde, phthalates, and surfactants. Research shows that 53% of cleaning products contain harmful ingredients that have adverse effects on human health. For instance, some cleaning products cause lung damage, while others cause asthma. Also, avoid fabric protection sprays and air fresheners, because they contain harmful chemicals that cause endocrine system issues. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know, and please subscribe to our channel to be updated with our new FastKlean videos. Number 3. Choose certified cleaners. Don't just settle for the cleaning contractor with the lowest price to maintain your building. Ensure you choose a cleaner who is certified like FastKlean. Certified cleaners adhere to the best practices of green cleaning that conserve the environment while keeping employees healthy. Number 4. Develop a corporate cleaning policy. It is best practice to develop a corporate cleaning policy for your organization. Start by educating your employees on the detrimental effects of standard cleaning products. Go a step further to forbid the use of chemical cleaners and instead advocate for green products. This way, you get buy-in from all employees, and they adhere to the cleaning policy. And lastly, number 5. Hire an eco-friendly office cleaning service. When choosing an office cleaning service, go for a cleaning company like FastKlean that values health and uses safe and environmentally sound products. The firm should be knowledgeable about green cleaning techniques. Also, it should be trustworthy, available, and customer-centric to understand and meet your needs. It's time to ditch the harsh and toxic cleaning products and equipment for eco-friendly cleaners and processes. Contact the experts at FastKlean for a comprehensive range of sustainable commercial cleaning services in London. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out the 5 awesome benefits of employing green office cleaning. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. FastKlean works in partnership with EcoBravo. Together we want to change the world. Check our descriptions below to see our favorite products and use a special code for a 10% discount when you order via our channel.